Meaning of grappa.
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 grappa,
Grappa. Grappa is a type of Italian brandy made from the pomace left over from winemaking. The pomace, which consists of the grape skins, seeds, and stems, is distilled to produce a clear, intense spirit that typically has an alcohol content between 35% and 60%. Grappa has a strong, sharp flavor that can be somewhat harsh, with notes of fruit, nuts, and spices. It is often served as a digestive after a meal, and is also used in cooking and mixed drinks. Grappa is a popular traditional drink in Italy and has gained popularity worldwide.